Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is engr.ibrahim.omer, and in this tutorial we will model this M10 bolt in Solidworks using thread feature. So let's go to Solidworks and let's learn this. So here you can see that I am using Solidworks 2020, but if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here new. Select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, as usual, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs, that is millimeters gram second. Let's go to here front plane, select a sketch, and here first I will create an arbitrary sketch using lines. So let's make an sketch like this. And we will dimension it in the end. Now I will dimension this sketch. Let's go to here smart dimension and let's make this 10 millimeters. Let's make this dimension 6.5 and let's make the overall length of the bolt to be 50. This is not the threaded length, and because this is M10 bolt, so this dimension would be 5. And now you can see that the color of the sketch is turned into black, which indicates that your sketch is fully defined. I will exit this sketch. Now I will go to here Revolve boss space. And here I will select this sketch that we have just created. It is asking axis of revolution, so I will pick this line. You can see 360-degree revolution and I will select OK. Now we will apply some color or appearance onto this bolt. So go to here appearance. And here let's say we will apply this appearance. And appearance would be on the body. And I will select OK. Now we will apply some fillet and chamfers onto this bolt. So let's go to here fillet and I will select this edge. I will apply a fillet of 0.8 or 0.5. Now I will apply some chamfer. So go to here chamfer and let's apply symmetric chamfer 0.8. Now we will apply some asymmetric chamfers. So go to here chamfer and I will select here distance chamfer and I will change it to asymmetric and let's make it 2 and 1 and select OK. Similarly, I will apply another chamfer onto this edge. So go to here chamfer and this time asymmetric chamfer. This must be 1 and this must be 2. Select this edge. You can see the preview and select OK. Now I will select this face, a sketch, and here we will create a polygon with 6 sides, that is hexagon. I will select this vertex and I will make it horizontal. And this dimension is 16, that is the diameter. You can see sketch is fully defined and let's make another circle like this. And go to here features, extruded cut, and I will cut it through all and select OK. So you can see the head of the bolt. Now we will apply the thread feature. So go to here hole wizard and under hole wizard you will see this command thread. Select OK. And the edge of the cylinder is this one. You can see the preview. And here I will select this face. I will offset it by 1 millimeter. You can see the preview. Reverse it. So the thread would be starting from here. And the threaded length is 30 metric die. The size is M10 by 1.5. Basically M10 is the diameter. The diameter of this shank is 10 millimeters and 1.5 is the pitch. That is distance between two consecutive threads. Cut thread, yes. Right-handed thread, and I will select OK. Now you can see the profile, or you can see the threads of the bolt. So that's how you can create a simple M10 by 1.5 bolt in SolidWorks. Similarly, you can create a nut using this feature. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics like engineering drawing, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.